Friends, open PicsArt app. Now tap on this plus icon and select edit a photo and select background. First step, directly go to add photo and select model face image. Using this cutout tool, I already erased background. And the next step, go to adjust, select the saturation, decrease the saturation to -100. Okay, now tap on brightness, decrease little brightness, increase little contrast, decrease little highlights, and decrease little shadow. Tap on tick, stretch it and arrange it perfectly in the center like this. Now tap on eraser, tap on erase, increase the size, decrease opacity, decrease hardness, erase on the bottom portion. Very simple and easy tutorial, okay? Now tap on tick mark. Now tap on tick. In the next step, go to text, write your model name. Write your name, tap on done, tap on tick. Select this up arrow, tap on my fonts and select this haters font. I'll do this font link in the description. Now tap on opacity, keep the opacity to 80 or 85. Stretch it and arrange it in this portion here. Now tap on tick. And the next step, go to add photo and select another PNG. This is the PNG I used in last editing also, and simply stretch it. Now tap on tick. And the next step, go to add photo and select light PNG. Then this is dual light PNG. Stretch it, decrease the opacity, go to blend option, select the screen option, and you can decrease little opacity. Perfect. Now tap on it. The next step, go to add photo and select another dual light PNG. This dual light PNG, stretch it, keep it on the top, select the blend option, select the screen option. Perfect. Now tap on it. And the next step, you have to save this image in PicsArt and jump into this Snapseed app. See you there. Friends, open Snapseed app and tap on this plus and add your model image. First step, tap on pencil, select the details, increase little details. Now tap on it. The next step, tap on pencil, select the HDR scape, select the nature and keep it around 5. Now tap on it. The next step, tap on pencil, select the text option and you can write whatever slogan you want. I'm going to write attitude boy. Tap on OK and you can select any color you want and decrease the size, arrange below your name to give the stylish look. Tap on opacity, decrease the opacity. Now tap on it. The last step, tap on pencil, select the tune image, increase little brightness, little saturation, little contrast, little ambience, little highlights, little shadow, little warmth. Now tap on it. Then finally our special portrait photo editing tutorial is completed. You can see how beautiful it is before and the final output. Now tap on save. See you next video with new special concept photo editing tutorial.